Welcome to a MainlyDIY.com video.
Hi, today I'm going to make a needle felted Easter egg. I'm going to start with this pre-made egg. This is one I've made. You can check out MainlyDIY.com and we'll show you how to make a base egg if you need to do that. And then we're going to take some wool roving. I've got some fun colors here, so I am just going to open that up. And I'm just going to take a small piece, trim that off with my scissors. And then I'm going to take my small piece and kind of spread it out. And my object is I want to get all the way around this egg here. And you know, I may have to pull some from the bottom to fill in some. I can put it going the other direction. But let's kind of spread out this big piece that we have first. And the object here is we want to cover our entire egg. I'm pulling out my needle felting needle, and this is a medium size. So you want to be careful of the barbs on that, and of course the sharp point. So I am just going to poke up and down. You need to poke straight up and down. So I'm going to kind of work my green into my white so that it will stay put and give me some nice coverage. Okay, so I'm going to take another color, bring that up. And what I want on this one is just a little, kind of a narrow bit, just like that. I'm pulling over, or out, rather. And I'm going to take my needle pad, and I am going to kind of punch that together. I'm going to punch a little, pick it up and twist it a little bit. Okay, so I've got a little narrow strip, and I am going to see if it goes around my whole piece, and it will. So I think I'll take where those two are going to join and needle felt those together. Okay. And then I am going to come a little ways away. I'm going to kind of drag my fibers one way, and then I'm going to poke them. And then I'll pick up my stripe here. I'm going to try to get a zigzag out of this, so it's moving my fiber up a little bit. Kind of poke in the center of my zigzag there, and I'll just keep doing that. So now we've created kind of a zigzag around that. Got a little zigzag around that. And then I am going to put some little dots on it. So I'm going to take some more of this, and I'm going to cut that in half. And I am going to kind of ball that up between my fingers. I'm going to make a dot with that, so I'm going to poke it a couple times in the center to hold it down where I want it, and then I'm going to work the fibers in. The goal is here to have a nice little circle. this, I want to punch down in the middle quite a bit. I'm going to take a little yellow ball of this roving, and I'm going to kind of work that into the center of my purple. So I found I needed the purple out around my yellow ring because there wasn't enough contrast for me between my yellow and my green, so I made the outer rings with purple, and we're just going to kind of randomly place some of these on our egg. Okay. So here I have my little Easter egg done, random dots, kind of cute, nice and light. One little word of caution is your pets will probably love these. They make great cat and dog toys if nothing else, but so you may want to keep them away from your pets to if you like your craft, and when you get tired of it or you don't want it anymore, might make a nice pet toy.